Around the world, skilled immigrants choose to settle in global cities, as they perceive larger cities to offer better career opportunities and environments conducive to social and family life. Yet in what unique ways do these cities enable or constrain migrant careers and integration? By performing an in-depth study of migrants' lived work experiences across time and space, scholars discovered how cities and their artifacts affect newcomers' capacities to learn and flourish in their careers. Researchers found that while engaging with cities' boundary objects, migrants negotiated access to the local labor market. Thus, boundary objects serve to simultaneously bridge as well as accentuate boundaries between different groups and communities in the city. Unlike locals who may easily navigate a city in search of opportunities to effectively use their own career capital, new migrants must quickly acquire host city know-how to navigate local work opportunities. They may do this by career orienting, in which they explore the city and talk with other locals to learn about new job opportunities. Some also perform cross-boundary career adaptation, in which they use local services or agencies to help them find specific work, while other migrants engage in creative career action, in which they may create new organizations to connect like-minded immigrants and help others new to the city. Wonder how a city's context may affect migrant careers and opportunities? If so, you may want to read this paper.